Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. One is an amazing fold-it that actually I have two fold-its today. Exciting. Well, one is a fold-it that is perfect for the guy in your life, perfect for a woman as well, but really I designed it thinking for guys, but hey, I'm telling you, anything goes, right? But it is a Lighthouse A2 sized fold-it. Now, I went a little crazy on this one because not only is it the Lighthouse, but I just want you to see all of the dies you're getting in this kit. So not only are you getting the Lighthouse with, of course, the shadow that makes the A2 size card, right? Shaped cards. We love our shaped cards. I know how much all of you want me just to do a fold-it card a club because it's so awesome. I know, I love them so much. I could go on forever on fold-its. But we have a little extra house here that could be like just like a little house where the person that works on the lighthouse lives. We have many lighthouses, so if you wanted to make a shadow like a shaker card, a shaker card, or we have little clouds. We also, for a shaker card, we have bigger clouds. It's amazing. You're gonna love it. Ready? But I have more to share with you first, then you can see the samples. A slimline baby fold-it. This one was born, no pun intended, because I needed a baby card that was gonna knock somebody's socks off, and I didn't have one. I have, of course, the cute baby word fold-it, which is awesome. Don't get me wrong, love it. But I wanted something that was really gonna wow. And this one makes the perfect shaker because I added an extra shaker die in here, okay? This is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna turn it over so you can see. I added the shaker die in here with the stitch mark so you'll know. And it's so cute. It has mini baby bottles. It has mini little yellow ducks, rubber duckies, and lines for the bottle. So you can like measurements. Now the lines, there's two different ones. Why? One is actually gonna cut out a piece and one is just gonna make the die mark. So you pick, you choose, it's up to you, right? Lots of fun samples, but wait, my friends, there's more because we also released, and I know this looks amazing, and don't worry, I have samples to share with you, a box that will hold A1 sized cards. What do I mean? Look at this cute little box. Isn't that fun, right? And we're gonna open it up. And it is, oh, this one has something else in it. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a cute little tea bag set. So you could add little tea bags in here if you wanted to. I designed it originally for A1 cards, but you could add other items in there as well. So there's a cute little one. This one got smushed in mailing. I feel bad. But there's a cute one with tea bags in it, and I have more samples. Last but not least is the words, and I know it looks like nothing here, you are incredible. So I have samples for those too. Let's jump in and look at our Lighthouse samples first. I just want you to see, you think Lighthouse, oh, how many different lighthouses can I make? Oh, lots. Oh, lots. Let me just tell you, you can make lots because look at all of these. Boom, 3 right there. Here's another one, 4. Look at that. Okay, all a little tiny different. Let's see, here's another one. There's another one. Oh, here's another one. Look at that. Okay, all 4 of those are totally different, right? Let's see if I can like kind of lay these all out so you can really see them. There we go, there we go. Okay, remember they're A2 in size, so they'll fit in a standard envelope. Oh, let's get those closer together. There we go. Oh, here's one that is on an A2 size card base, right? You can do that as well. What's it say? You light up my life. Happy birthday. Isn't that cute? Those stamps came from the Lighthouse to stamp dies. So just stamps and dies, just a heads up. Oh, you guys, look at this one. Who did this one? Yvette. Look at how beautiful that is. It's like a sunset, like a little bit after sunset. Beautiful. This also has the Moon Star Tri background die and sayings for Lighthouse. Thank you for being the lighthouse during my storm. Is that gorgeous or what? Oh my goodness. Here's another one on an A2 size card. I told you guys, Lighthouse, I'm telling you. Boom, boom, boom. Now, all of those But wait, because then you could also put it on our shadow box die and do it on its side. This is a 5x7 shadow box die. Normally we would do it like this, but look, you could do it this way as well. Isn't that awesome? And it's like 3D because it's got those layers in there. Absolutely stunning. Okay, boom. Let's move on to our baby bottles. Okay, so here's a cute little baby bottle, fold it, baby. Oh yeah, don't forget we have those word dies. Fun, fun, fun. Baby strip die. Then we have a shaker card with our cute little duckies in there, rubber duckies. My babies love rubber duckies, it's so fun. But yes, this makes the perfect shaker card. So there's one, it says, welcome baby to the world, little one. This uses the Noah's Ark stamps, the baby phrase strips, and the circles for postmarks. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, moving on. Oh, woo, look at this one. What? Okay, baby bottles in there. Oh, and some cute little rubber duckies are in there as well. So beautiful. Baby shower. Can you imagine if somebody threw you a baby shower and they made the invitations look like this? Oh my gosh, that is insane. Or you throw a baby shower and you make the invitations look like this. That is just a little bit crazy. Heart ring stencil, surfboard fold-it flower. The sequins are the stamps of life, chamomile dreams, and pretty in pink. 3D ink, of course, because Cheryl made this, and pink rhinestones. Look at how beautiful that is. Ah, I love it. I love it. I would definitely go to the shower if somebody gave me this invitation. Here's another cute one. Look at how beautiful. Again, lots of fun things in there. I love that I gave you the confetti for the baby, the baby bottles and the little rubber duckies because it just adds so much. Here's another one with the rubber ducky and the fun little bottles on the inside. Now let's look at the You Are Incredible before we look at the A1 box. So here you are incredible, or just have it say incredible if you want to, right? Because they're separate words. Here's another one, you are incredible. You can layer it like that. You can layer it like that. 3 different words with shadows, options to layer it any way you want. Now, this is a fun one to look at. You are incredible because look at this. Isn't it cute that a different designer came up pretty much with the same idea, but with a different peep? Those little peeps go perfect with our You Are Incredible. I absolutely love it. Now, let's look at these A1 boxes. Look at this, you guys. Look at these. Okay, so here we go. Happy birthday, because it comes with lots of other dies. And look, you can put, oh, and it says my friend on the inside. So cute. You can put a little gift in there if you wanted to. We're going to do a separate video on this, on how to put it together, but you know, if I made it, it's gonna be easy, right? Come on, you guys know that by now, right? Now this one we're gonna open up. It is a very tight fit, just a heads up on that, which is good. One, it's not gonna fall open, right? It's not gonna fall open. And also it saves you money because it's only one die, okay? Look at, oh my word. Are you kidding me? Who did this? Michelle, look at this. She made it a card. Merry Christmas. And look, she did layers, and it's our cute little truck with Christmas trees at the Christmas tree lot. I absolutely love that. Isn't that fun? I love it. Here's a cute one using our Critters stamp and die set from our Critters class and stencil. I hope you signed up for that. Another one. Oh my word. Michelle, what are you doing to me? Look at that. I have no words. I have no words. Look at how adorable those little guys are. That's insane. Insane. I love it. I love it. Okay, You Are Sweet. I love this. I'm so excited they decorated the inside. Now this could just be stuffing. This is just stuffing to keep it nice. That's good for shipping because our design team has to ship them to us. But look at that cute little dots on the side for seeds. You are so sweet. Here's another one. Ooh, what's this? Oh, let's open it up. Now, I originally designed these for A1 cards on the inside, and this is exactly what Cheryl did. She put A1 cards in here. So if you wanted to make cards to give to someone so they could give them out, this is the perfect box for you. So here we go. Thank you. She decorated all of these cards. So cute. Look how many layers are on these things. So there's tons of layers. There's an envelope that matches. So one, here's another cute one. thank you with another card that matches. I'm sorry, envelope that matches. Here's another one with an envelope also. Thank you. You could fit 3 puffy cards with envelopes because there's layering on here, there's layering on these, but look at how gorgeous that is. Put them all together and this would make the perfect gift for someone. So cute. But you know what? I'm loving the ideas of all the other things the design team put in them. Here's another one for you, my friend, using our A1 basket weave die background. Ooh, more cards. Now these are just samples to show you, but here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cards, as long as they're pretty flat, could fit in here. But look, I can smush those and I could probably fit even more. And look, the die comes with those fun borders too as well for the sides. Absolutely love it. Now, club members, you know the deal. Talking to the choir here, right? You get the club discount on all of these products. If you got these the first 24 hours they were released, chances are you also got them on flash sale. So you got a flash sale price and the club discount, double discounts, which is amazing, right? Now, if you're not in the club, you can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month. What does that mean? That means every month you're gonna get a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically on the first of the month. Then you're gonna get all our awesome club benefits. For example, you're gonna get the 15% discount on our website. You're going to earn club points on every purchase that you spend at the Stamps of Life, including your club shipments. You're going to get an anniversary gift certificate on a year anniversary. When you are in the club for a full year, you get a $15 gift certificate to the website. We also send out freebies for the rest of the year. And all of our Die Hard, you are getting a freebie in each shipment for all of 2023. And those flash sales and the club points, it's just absolute. Oh, and you get access to items that other people can't get access to purchase. Oh, I know, it's pretty amazing. It's an exclusive club. Now, $13.99 a month, that includes the stamp set. What if you're like, okay, Stephanie, I kind of like that idea, but I'm not cutting those things out with scissors. Never fear. We have what's called the Die Hard Club. That is our most popular club because it comes with the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. It's amazing. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and just watch that video. I really tried to explain it really well. What's the time commitment? 10 years. Just kidding. Of course it's not 10 years, right? It's 3 months. It's only 3 months to test us out. Test the waters, check us out, see if you like us. If after 3 months you don't like us, you can cancel at any time. But you know what? You're not going to want to because you're going to fall in love. Also, we have a Facebook fan page on Facebook. Go check it out. Go ask your questions there. Don't ask us because we're going to tell you we're awesome. Go ask the people that love us and they're going to tell you how awesome we are. Go to Facebook, search official Stamps of Life fan page. It's going to pop up. You answer 2 questions, I think, to join, and it's an amazing, positive, happy place to be. So we love you and we want you to be in our family. Come join our club. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you.